2, 1, film.
Good morning, my name is Isobel Cromarty and this is Domino. I'm doing my level 4 assessment and he's a nice little Welsh pony, he's a ride and drive, he's in his mid-teens and he's a very, very nice person. We're in the indoor school, it's a very nice light area to work in, the doors are shut, it's safety, there is a few pigeons flying around, but he is well used to them. Stand still now. Good day. And the fire exits, as you can see, are there, and there's no alarm going off, so we're safe to go.
And your style of horsemanship, Toots?
I would say it's hybrid. I'm quite elderly now, so I have to have modified things from what I probably would have done when it was VHS.
Lovely, thank you. If you would like to take Domino and join the track at A, for me please, track left.
Thank you. Come on, boy. Good luck.
Toots, because it's so warm in here, when you're ready, go forward to trot working in hand, and I'll bring you back to walk in a minute. Trot on. And back to a walk. Crossing the arena, shortened arena at our poles to C. At C, please do a kind halt. Lovely. Walk on. At E, I would like you to do a loop taking you back to a change of rein. Lovely. Beautiful. Stand by to go forward into trot working in hand at B. At F, come back to a walk. Kind halt at A. Lovely, thank you, Toots. If you'd like to come in, lovely. So we're now going to go forward to the agility section. Hello, Tommy. Oh, good lad, well done. So just to remind you, our agility course is in and out of the jump stands, back through the chicane, push me, pull you, turn at these markers, and the final is a halt with the pony's shoulders at the driving cones.
All in walk.
All in walk, and I can prompt you if you forget the course.
Thank you so much.
Off you go to your poles there. Lovely. push me, pull you, turn. Doesn't matter which way you go. And then back to the driving cones to finish. Good. Thank you. If you'd circle domino round and join me here, that would be great. Would you please demonstrate picking up a front hoof? Front hoof you can do is back. Lovely. And now a hind hoof. Would you like to do this? Lovely. If you would now like to demonstrate back up and yield in both directions, please. So we're now going to go to the other end of the arena for you to do your lunging section, and Cara will come to you there and hand you the lunge line and lunge whip. Thank you. off and see if you've got connection.
Oh.
Good boy. Look at him, I'm like, what a clever boy. What a good boy. Thank you. And